Now I know how parents feel when they spoil their children. Such a great feeling. Spoiled, I tell you. Absolutely spoiled. Hey guys, it's your girl, Amanda, coming at you with another new video. And today's video is a haul like no other. Because today's haul is all about pets. Yes, today I spoiled the crap out of my two dogs, to be exact, Heimbeg and Bronx. Some of you guys may have seen them before, some of you might have not. So I'll either insert a couple pictures or I will insert a video now.
Pull it, Bongie, yeah! Yay! Doggy did it!
So Heimbeg and Bronx are just like my children. Like, they are my world, my everything. Without them, oh my goodness, my life just would not be the same. Well, I love Josh too, but that's different. So I think it's nice to spoil them sometimes too, right? So today while I was out shopping, it was all about my boys. And might I add, everything that I got was on sale. Of course, right? Like, when does Amanda ever pay full price for anything? Never! But before we jump into the epic pet haul, I got my nails done and I want to show you because I think they are pretty friggin' awesome. And here they are. This beautiful blue kind of silvery moment. I've got my pinkies in complete chrome. Then I've got some like really cool detailed kind of hand design action on those fingers. Then of course the iconic drips on my middle fingers, and my pointer fingers have this really crazy cool hand design tribal kind of moment on it. And of course my thumbnails, those are really cool. They are a chrome fade into baby blue. And oh my goodness, I absolutely love them. I think they are absolutely beautiful. So anyways, now that I got that out of the way, because you know, when you have something you're proud of and you think they're fab, you just want to show it off to everyone. So let me know down below if you like the blue. Okay, so let's get right into this pet haul because I love to spoil my animals. And I do also have a cat. She is like the boss of the house. Her name is Mama. I'll also include a picture of her so y'all know. And I went shopping at Winners and also PetSmart because then I can go shopping with my animals and bring them right in the store, and they're able to like pick out the toys and treats that they want, because yes, I do that. If we're walking down the toy aisle and like they happen to keep going towards this one toy and it's not like $80, then of course I'll get it for them, because then they get home and woo, they absolutely love it. So that's gonna bring us to the first item. And they have already been playing with them because oh my gosh, they died. Okay, they died over these guys in the store. Like, these two are so adorable. I said to Josh, they are like a knockoff version of the Monsters Inc. guy. Not Saul, but the other guy. Let me know down below if you know who I'm talking about. I can't think of his name right now. Now, regular price, these guys were $31.99. And usually I wouldn't really spend that much on a dog toy, especially considering I do have pit bulls and they are very, very destructive when it comes to like chewing toys, because you need some strong ass toys to last out those boys, you know what I'm saying? But these were on an amazing deal. It was buy one get one half off. So technically I got this guy for $31, but I got this guy for like $16, and they love it. I will insert a clip now of them playing with them. Oh my gosh, they absolutely died for these guys.
Oh, you guys like the new toys? Those are awesome toys, eh? Oh, good job, Heim. Oh, good job, Heim. Oh, nice catch, Bunky. Oh, they look like Monsters, Inc., eh?
Like, I'm surprised that they're not sitting at the door whining right now, because I had to steal them to add it into the haul. You know what? I think I'm gonna go and give it to them right now. I'll be right back. All right, so we will continue with PetSmart. I also picked up these right here. They are very loud squeakers, and my boys love squeaker toys. Like, those aliens also have squeakers in every single one of their tentacles. They have like 2 or 3 different squeakers in the body, and they love these like spiked balls because of, I guess, the sensation it gives when they bite it and on their tongue and stuff. And these guys were on sale for $2.29, which isn't too bad because they are like tough. You know, like they're a lot stronger than, say, the one that you'll get at the dollar store for $3, you know, so you save some money and you get a better quality toy. So they love these. Of course, I had to pick up some goodies and treats for my boys. So I picked up this 2-pack of beef jerky strips, and it is all natural, which is good. And this was actually only, let me see here, $2.29. This was $2.29 for the 2 pieces of jerky. They are a bit smaller, but once you get bigger in things like this, the price just gets ridiculous. Unfortunately, there was no deals on like these natural treat things, so I did just go with that. But the showstopper of the treats were these beef elbows. Now, they do make a big mess, of course, but my dogs absolutely love things like this that has like some of the cartilage still left and like the marrow and all that kind of stuff. Ooh, this is a doggy's paradise. So I'm even excited to give these to my dogs because this is the first time they've ever had elbows of the cow. You know, that's something different for us. Well, I think that is it for PetSmart. So in the plaza where the PetSmart is, there is a Winners just a few doors down. So of course we had to just slide into Winners to see what kind of stuff was going on. And we did. We grabbed some things at Winners also. So the pets got this 2-pack of, okay, just hear this, industrial strength tennis balls. Now, when you even try to squeeze these guys, like, you can't even do that. Like with normal tennis balls, you can squeeze it. So Josh and I are hoping that these tennis balls last a bit longer than like 1 or 2, you know, fetches or play times, because oh my gosh, we go through tennis balls like crazy. But the good thing is these guys were on sale for $3 only, which is pretty darn good. Well, I guess it would be pretty good if they really do last. So I'll have to let you guys know if you're interested. You should follow me on my social medias, which are always linked down below. So if you have any questions about things that I've hauled or I'm using or whatever, you can always reach out to me and ask. And while we were looking at the tennis balls, we noticed a whole bunch of other stuff was on clearance too. So we picked up these 2 absolutely adorable little giraffe plushies, and they do have the squeakers in them, so the boys are gonna love these. And they were only $4 each. That's an amazing deal. Now I know that we did just give them these guys, so we will tuck these brand spanking new guys away until, you know, those guys kind of get like ready for the garbage, and then we will say, and they'll get so freaking excited, and then these guys will have their time to shine. I could not help myself. They had a little pink unicorn plushie dog toy with the squeaker, but I had to get it. I had to. This guy is so cute. He's got a pink mane, a pink fluffy tail. He's got the sparkly unicorn horn. Oh wow, he's adorable. So this one is mine, and he was only $4 also. So yes. A little while ago, we were shopping at Winners or Marshalls, one or the other, and we had seen this, which is a huge like Tupperware kind of thing for your dog's food. So while we were at Winners this time, I seen that they had ones for cats. This one is marble print, and it says meow on the front. And this one is exactly the same. It seals really well, easy to open, and it has the airtight rubber strip in there and everything. This also comes with a scoop, but the only difference between this guy and the big dog food one is the dog one had wheels that you could put on the bottom, but this one doesn't, I imagine, because it is a lot smaller and it's probably not going to get as heavy as the dog one. And this one here for the cat was only $19.99, and the big one for the dogs was $24.99, I believe. If you've seen that haul, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you haven't and you're kind of curious, I will leave it linked down below so you could check it out. Now, I know, did Amanda really go to Winners and not get anything? Unfortunately, I did get two things too. So I have been using argan oil in my hair again, and I picked up a spray argan oil instead of, like, you know, I have to pump it in my hand and rub it and then put it through my hair. I feel like I use too much when I have to do that, so I'm hoping that the spray will be a lot easier. And this one is pure 100% argan oil, and it was $9.99, so that's pretty awesome. And oh, it does magical things for your hair, like, whoa. I am definitely going to be doing a hair care video, like my hair routine, or yeah, my hair routine, because girl, you might learn some tricks, you know what I'm saying? And now I would just like one moment of silence for this beautiful piece, because I am going to enlighten your whole day with it, because oh, I am in love. So let me just take it out of the bag. Some of you may already know exactly what it is because you just know. But this is my new Betsey Johnson designer bag. I think it screams spring and summer. It has a beautiful, huge pink fuchsia-like bow with pearl studs on it. It's gorgeous. Let me do a close-up so you can see it real good. Well, here it is. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? The white with the pink and the green, just, I think it stands out so nicely. And the back is just plain print with a little Betsey Johnson plaque right there. And oh, look at the, I don't know how I'm gonna show this, but I'm gonna try, okay? So right here, there is an adorable little heart zipper clasp there. Oh, it's so cute. There's a back pocket here. There's a pocket right there, which is nice, so then you don't always have to jam everything in this large middle pocket. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely stunning. And it also, of course, has the removable leather and gold chain kind of larger strap, which I also like, because you don't always want to wear it with the big strap, right? Like if you're wearing some cute little outfit, I would much rather carry it using these little straps here, you know, on your arm like this.
And you can look all super cute. Yay, 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 there's my beautiful birds.
And this guy here was $49.99, which actually I was surprised that it was $50, because usually the Betsey Johnson bags that I've gotten in the past at Winners are $59. So maybe they're going down by $10 now, because there's not that big of a difference in the size of this bag compared to my other ones. And speaking of bags, if you would like me to do a purse collection, let me know down below, because you know what, I think I'm just gonna do it anyway. So yeah, there's gonna be a purse collection video coming very soon. Well guys, that's it for the pet haul. The only other thing that I got was a couple cans of spray paint from Home Depot for some craft projects that I've been planning, and I'm just trying to get all of the materials I need together so I can start filming and recording and making it all happen. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this haul, and I also hope maybe I gave you some inspiration or some ideas on where you can spoil your pet next. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because you don't want to be missing anything I'm going to be doing, because it's going to be exciting, I promise. With all that being said, my beautiful, fabulous fam, I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.